So I guess we're gonna start the restoration of this car. Comp orange, convertible, one of 76. You see this car's a little beat because it has a hard 146,000 miles on it. But I'm pretty sure we can get going real nice again. We'll see how it goes. Oh, that didn't take long to find the problem. Oh. Oh, look at that. Nice holes in the shock towers. Nice. Just love when people fucking weld the catbacks to the X-pipe. Whew. Holy shit. That shit has been leaking for a long ass time there. Nice. Well, oh, that's a nice surprise. Come on, get up in there. Come on. There we go. Ah. Ouch. So much for having a nice clean floor. That did not last long at all. So it's a mess. Quick, easy way to take off these clutch cables, tie bar, push it down, and there we go. When you're doing stuff like this, you start to justify the price of the air-powered transmission jack, so you don't freaking throw your arm off. I think what I'm gonna have to do is start cursing at this connector, and maybe it'll come off. Oh, you fucking bitch. Just come about ready to get this out of here. Come on, you bitch. You wanna come out and play? I guarantee you the damn bolt stuck somewhere. There we go. And it's free. One T56 for you. There we go. He's making a mess right now. Oh, damn it. There we go. Kind of. Yeah, that's better. Alright, let's see. It won't be a bukkake on me tonight. Being difficult. Here we go. Oh, there goes some dirty ass fucking water for you. Nice and disgusting. There we go. There we go. Bitch ass. Fucking hoses. Story of my life. Where's that tool I fucking need? There we go. Time to yank this bitch the fuck out of here. She wants to be a little difficult. Oh, that's damn thing anyway. Oh, there we go. Yeah, just break this shit. It'll come out. Oh, there we go. Shit always gets caught in this brake line right here. Oh, you son of a bitch. she's just about loose. Come on, what you stuck on? There you go. And she's free. Oh, I got some DB heads on there, so at least they're the good heads. Send this shit out there. Yeah, I say that rear main has been leaking for a little while. This car has been lack of maintenance, as you see. Well, there we go. Motor train's out. And tomorrow tear down, because I gotta clean everything out now. A little messy. Yeah, this car got some rust issues here. Oh shit. That whole frame rail is gone.